Hope you had a nice time at the Chinese field trip today. I'm going to show you what we did in class. I would like you to have it done when you come in Tuesday because we will be starting our next topic. So first thing you're going to do is log into your Thinglink account, and it's probably going to take you to this page. You're going to be like, hey, where's my work I already did? To find your work, you have to click Me. And when you click Me, it'll reload the page and the images will appear you've worked on. So here's the map you guys started. So you're going to click it. It's now live. Mine's only got 3 things because I'm doing a tutorial. Yours should have all the major countries: Turkey, Greece, Italy, Spain, Portugal, Germany, Switzerland, and the Scandinavian countries at least. I'm going to show you to get into Edit. We're going to click Edit. And I'm going to show you 3 things you need to do. First, we're going to change the title to my map of Europe. Okay, and then we want to add 3 things. We're going to learn to add links, we're going to learn to add movies, we're going to learn to add images. So for France, I've already done some searches. So I searched up medieval castles from France. I found this cool video that takes it's a minute tour, and she walks you through the tour of this castle, which is pretty cool. You get to see the inside of it. Now we'll be studying this later, so this is a great video to include. So you copy the address, and instead of putting the link there, or excuse me, you just put the link there. That appears now in my Thinglink. That movie will play. So it's there. You really should click Save Tag. I kind of forgot. So in England, what did I do for it? Oh, I didn't even do England. I did Norway, and so I better do Norway. So I'm going to put a tag up here for Norway. It's not really a good spot. There we go. I didn't realize I did that. So Norway. In this case, we want to put an image in. So I just went to a Google search of images of Norway, and what a beautiful place. I'd really love to visit this. This looks beautiful. That's pretty cool. Anyway, I'm going to pick one that this is cool to me. So this is kind of what Norway looks like. Villages along the coastline, lots of mountains. That's a really beautiful picture. What I just did is important. You must go from the image to the view the image and get the biggest image you can see. You take that address, you copy it, you go back, and you're going to paste that in. Now your image will appear for Norway. Okay, so now we've added a movie and an image. And then for Ireland, I want to add a link. So I found this website that's kid-friendly that talks about what Italy's like. So I want this to be a link to go to this place. So I'm going to put it for Ireland. So I put the link in. So you're really using 3 links. Now, it doesn't look like anything worked here, but you're going to see it does. So we're going to save this image. Now, you're going to do several of these, right? I just did 3 to show you the process. It'll say read more. I click it. It's going to actually open up a totally different web page, so it works like it's supposed to. Okay, the video, I should be able to see the video. It plays right here. Well, I did it right. So it all works. That's the point. We're going to want to embed this. So we're going to go to Share. And under the Share, we're going to either click or we're going to click to copy. Do not highlight and click. You inevitably miss some of the code. So then we go to Weebly. So I'm in my Weebly account. I log in. It always is going to take you when you first log into your home page. Okay. Yours is called Social Studies, but I'm going to use this history one as the test. But you need to go to your history page. The only thing that should be here is this little information about who you are. When you're doing blogs, you always go to New Post in the bottom right. That's going to build a template for you. It dates it, puts a title, and leaves places for elements. For this one, we're going to put first blog post my Thinglink of Europe. So everybody should have the same title. We're then going to put some text down, and you're going to have a few things you're going to write about. One, you're going to write I like, or you could write dislike. Okay, you don't have to like it, but I'm going to use I like. I liked to use Thinglink because, and then you're going to respond to that. You're going to tell me why. Why do you like using Thinglink? Or if you said you didn't like it, why not? Then you're going to define 3 words. Now, you don't have to write 3 words. You can just use it. You can define them in your blog. We're going to do enduring impacts, legacy, and divine right. So those 3 words you're going to have to Is that spelled wrong? That's not spelled wrong, I don't think. So anyway, you're going to have to define those words. So you're going to have some written text up here. The other thing we want to do is in our embed code. So I'm going to drag it underneath my text. Right? Oops, sorry, it's flying around all over the place. And I'm going to drop. It puts it beneath the text. I'm going to click, and I have the code, so I paste the code in. I click off. Uh-oh, nothing appeared. Did I do it wrong? Nope, this is where you post. And when you post, you're going to click your blue link. The blue link's going to open. You will see what you're going to write, and our map should come alive. The video should play, and it certainly does play, right? My link here shows me my beautiful picture of Norway, and this gives me read more. I click, and I go to a different website. So I know my website works. What's really cool is if I go back here, and I didn't do anything for the United Kingdom, so I do a quick search. England. Let's just do England for now, and I'll do some pictures. So if I find a really cool picture, that's pretty cool, right? So I click it, I get it opened, I view the image, and I'm going to get that address. All right, so I go to my England one. I can't do anything because I got to edit. I click on it, I paste that information in. See if it appeared. Now there was a couple pictures, like maybe this one. No, it appears. What's really cool is now when I go to my website, when I go back to my website, if I reload this page and look at what I did for England, my image now appears. So it will automatically update anything else you do. So that's basically what we did. We had all the written work done. We updated this. Yours is going to have a lot more information, but that's what we did today while you were on your field trip. You need to have that done when you come in Monday and your blog posted. Have a good weekend.